Alright, what's up? I'm just out here spray painting all the bumpers and all the side skirts. I've just finished side skirts we did last night. Started the bumper now. I've done 2 coats of primer, the white primer. Just gone onto the base coat, done 3. I'll let that dry. Then we'll move in towards the rear lip that we've just got down here. Basically just a nice little couple spray cans from Bunnings, Dulux, and we're going with the blue gloss fish pond to be exact, and from there hopefully it'll look good on the car. So we've got the side skirts here. We did those last night. Did them last night probably in the dark with a couple lights set up. Wasn't the smartest, wasn't the best, wasn't my most ideal, but they've come out pretty good. I don't know how good I can get it on the camera, but they seem to be just fine, and it's not bad for a spray paint job. But yeah, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it goes all good, and I guess we'll see it by the end of today. I'm not the most professional. I mean, I'm not a painter, I'm not nothing. I just kind of saw a couple videos on YouTube and I was like, fuck it, why not try it? So don't expect anything from this video being anything out there. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I guess we'll see how this turns out. A tip, probably don't do it outside. If you can, find a covered place or something, because if you have a look here, hold on, let me just put the camera around. You get little insects. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Let's focus, focus, focus. Oh well, either way, there's little insects along the paint. I mean, it's nothing too bad, nothing super crazy. The bumper looks pretty good. I mean, there's a couple cracks. I mean, from where I've scraped, hit the ground. I'm not sure what that's from, but yeah. But overall, it seems pretty dry. That's the front bumper basically done. I'm moving on to painting the rear now. I'm going to give it a quick wash because it's been on my car and it's dirty as hell. I'm hoping to have this done in the next 2 hours. Hopefully it shouldn't be much longer, but other than that we should be set. I'm just going to mask it off and we'll be done. So just moving on to masking it off here. I've got a bit done so far, but nothing crazy. I'm just going over it now. I've got the masking tape here. I mean, I'm having a bit of trouble with it because this tape is fucking shit, but that's just what we got to deal with. That's what we're working with. If you guys have a look, just have a look here. You can see that it's still attached. I can't really be bothered ripping it off, so we'll just move into it with the masking tape I've got here. From bumper done. Let's get on to the rear. Before I get into anything, before I jump into it, I need to clean, so I'll get onto that now, and then we'll go from there. So all I've got here, wet rag, gonna go around, clean it, so get onto that. Right. Now that that's done, we'll move into going onto the primer. I don't know how much I have left. Oh, no, actually we won't, because I did primer last night on it. We're going to jump straight onto the paint. Hopefully we'll see how this goes. Obviously it's face down, so on the front bumper as well, I've still got to just flip it over and do the back ends that are inside the wheel guard. Other than that, we'll be mint. We'll we'll be all set to go. Alright, we got my paint can here, let's go. Alright, that's the first coat done. I did it pretty thick, but oh well, paint's starting to run out. I'll get in the other can. Let's go. Alright, while I let this bumper dry, just here, I'm going to head out and show you the car. What it's currently sitting at, what it is, blah blah blah. So whatever. As of right now, not going a whole lot. Sort of just sitting there. My neighbors are looking at me like I'm a fucking retard walking around the camera in front of me. Anyway, so here it is. This is my 1999 Toyota Altezza. 6-speed manual, J160, 3SG. It's badged as a Lexus, but reality is Rego. It's a Toyota. It's sitting on Ray 57Gs, Gremlins 18x8s on Cobra lowering springs. Here's my 3SG. It doesn't have valve cover or anything right now because I had to replace that fucking coil pack. Bastards of a thing. It's basically clean, interior, whatever. Yep, standard 6-speed. Has the, I think it's a Qualitate wheel, carbon fiber, whatever. You got your standard dash, standard, yep, standard. Put an aftermarket thing. So all around it's just a standard car. Nice and stock. The only thing different is wheels and the body kit, of course. What I plan to do with it, a few things, but as you know, I'm broke, can't do everything straight away. So what I've decided to do at the moment is just do a couple cosmetics. I've got a ducktail on the way. That's waiting to be shipped from Russia, but since the COVID, it's not coming for a little while. This lighting is really fucking, there you go. Oh, okay, that's bright. Anyway, so basically this is going to go for a second coat now, but that's the basic rundown of my car. Nothing fancy. See how it is. Full can. Here we go. Third and last time can. There we go, leave that to dry, see how that goes. Okay, play coat time, let's go. Hopefully we'll see the end product in about 40 minutes. We'll see. Alright, just completely finished everything. Just gonna get zip ties for my, put everything on, because that's all I've got. Well, I had. Where the problem is zip tie alignment. We all know there's nothing better. Let's have a look here in the garage. Don't mind all the random shit that's in here. Clear ones will do. Let's get it going. So yeah, put it onto the bumper now. Hopefully everything will be good. Other than that, basically a job done. So here's all the parts up against the car now. Have a look. Yeah. Just shut this gate. Here it is here. So probably going to focus on putting the bumper on first, then the side skirts, then the rear. So let's get into it. Alright, so here it is, completely finished. Kit is entirely on, all by zip ties of course. Bumper, it's not the cleanest, had a bit of overspray, but I'll sort that another day. As of right now, it's all on, it's looking pretty tidy for what it is. But yeah. Alright, morning, this is the painting next day. Obviously in the morning it's a bit cold, so just still looking at it here. It's come out alright. I mean, it's nothing super crazy. Looks pretty good in the morning, so it's all good. I'm just going to take it for a quick boost. Oh, not a boost because I don't have a turbo, but I got to go to the warehouse, pick up a new charger, so I might as well just leave that here. Nice cold start. Nice and cold, early in the morning. Oh well.